Hello everyone, we're in home stretch now, and this is the tutorial for Scarified. So we're in the home stretch, moving into the last section. So after that leg, we are playing the main riff one more time. And then play the scale. Stop on the C sharp. Okay, for the next section, I'm going to show you how I did it, but that's going to be slightly different from Paul Gilbert's original way. I'm going to show you both ways. Okay, so basically, if this arpeggio, for the first chord, you have this arpeggio. I'll show you from the bottom up. You have A note, and then you have E, F sharp, A. So that's 9, 11, 14. And then 9, okay, you skip a string. So that's the 9, 12, and 14. The original pattern slowly goes something like this. Up, down, down, up. So I had the pleasure and honor to meet Paul Gilbert once, and I shook his hand. And I'm 6 feet, so my hand they're reasonably, useful in terms of size. But even then, when I shook Paul Gilbert's hand, I felt like I was like a little baby. Like his hand was like an inch, each finger is like an inch longer than mine. Okay, his fingers. So I decided that I have to simplify this section, in order to be able to play it, but I don't want to simplify it too much that it doesn't sound like the original. So again, the original slightly up to speed, which I'm not going to do in my version. And my version is going to be something like this. I play 16 notes for the first 2 beats. So up, down, down, up. So hammer-ons here. So one more time. And then do a pattern here. Just one string. And then another pattern. So beat 3 and 4, they go something like this. Alright. So the whole thing for one chord. 2 bars. Alright, sorry. So picking wise for the 3rd beat and 4th beat, I'll do it down. And then another down. Let me check it. Right, so down, down. So basically, that's the first chord. We will reuse that pattern later on. And then next, we have a diminished arpeggio. So I'm going to do it like this. And then you have to stretch on the 15 G string. So that's the A sharp. And then 12, 9. And then 13 on the A. So the notes. We got 3 more notes here. Alright, so 9, 12, 15. The pattern goes something like this, so 16th notes for the first 2 beats. And then do the same pattern. And then a shift. And personally, like if I'm sitting down, I can kind of do it here. So I could have played it like. But the problem is I'm sitting down really comfortably, and if I play it on stage, I don't think I can pull it off. So if I do this shift, it's gonna change the notes a little bit, but it sounds reasonable, and I can play this relatively with confidence. So the diminished chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So far, the first chord. Diminished, C sharp diminished. Sorry. And we still got a few more notes to go for this chord, so I've shifted the whole diminished chord here, so we can do this shape. So 12, and then 18, 15, 12, 16, come back up. So basically the same pattern that I did for the first chord, right? So for the diminished chord, the whole pattern. And we shift down one fret, we play the first shape. So this chord here, actually this shape here is the same shape as the first one. So it's 11, and 16, 13, 11, and then a B here, 14 here, 11, 13, 16. Down one fret and play a diminished shape again. So it's up 10, 16, 13, 10, 14, back up here, 10th, and you play the diminished shape one more time, starting on the 13. So 13. 19, 16, 13, 17, sorry. And then for the last pattern, you end on this note. Alright, so last pattern, starting on the D. So let me connect all the arpeggios for you slowly. All right, so let's see. So that's it for the arpeggio section. We got one more section to go, all right? Congratulations, we are almost there, all right? I will see you in the next and the last video.